Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can invite friends to like your Facebook page. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. But now let me show you how to invite people to like your Facebook page. So first you need to choose the page in question by clicking your profile picture on the top right corner and choosing the page you want to invite your friends to. Then you're going to open your page by clicking on your page under the Manage Pages and Profiles section. And then you're gonna click those three dots and click invite friends. So here Facebook suggests you to switch to your main account so that you get more features and tools. So we're gonna switch to our main account. And here you just need to search for the people you want to invite. You're just gonna type in their name and click on the invite next to their name. And you just successfully invited them to like or follow your page. Alright, so all in all, this is how you invite people to like your Facebook page. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.